Next, we go to the video of Gavin. Gavin. You see Gavin. I already watched everything. Not yet. Modern Theft Bridge vs Vintage Ashtray. Which one doesn't fit? Doesn't fit.
That comes with it.
The vintage.
Please watch this video.
The vintage ashtray.
If you're a USA model,
Vintage ashtray.
or a Mexican model, but I guess they got
Fish.
Bridge.
Healthy.
This isn't gonna work.
Healthy food.
I'm sorry, but it's not gonna work.
Oh, thank you, Lord, for the
This would
food.
work. You see the difference? Yeah. That's a big discrepancy.
Discrepancy
See
of
that?
what?
That's why. This bridge would work. This
Discrepancy of
bridge
what?
would work, but you'd have to drill holes. And if it was covering something up in here, that might be a problem. But that's probably not the case. But blah, blah, blah. This bridge came with this Guitar Fetish guitar. And this Intune Gotoh Intune fit right on there. No problem. No adjustment. And actually,
Kala kain ka na.
the position the saddles were in, brand new. I put it on and it was in today. Good for you, Gotoh.
Gusto ka nakabahan.
Nag-exam ako sa Sunday.
Isang Sunday pa, hindi to. Ito na? Ito na pala. Ako, aral ka. Nagpaturo kayo kay May ng pagsagot sa mga math nun. Dapat nagpaturo ka sa kanya. Kalo ba, close mo.
Which would have been really cool. But yeah, that's...
May mga reviewer
That
naman.
wasn't an option, so I wound up drilling these
Ano yun, may pride pa rin?
screw holes and
Hindi.
putting another,
Ano?
and using another
Close na
file.
ako.
Hindi naman ako matuturuan.
Gotoh and,
Ba't naman hindi?
yeah, so I hope
Siyempre.
that helps. This was $80.
How
And
much?
I'm not gonna use it.
Sinabi niya naman na sa akin na hindi naman siya masyado
I don't
na-prepare.
have an American guitar.
Parang
that
more
fit.
on
I don't see myself doing
Natatandaan niya lang yung mga
other
tinuro
than
sa kanya na
just the bridge.
sinahay.
And these, honestly,
Kasi nga, yung school niya sa senior high, baka ang ganda ng tulo.
This one, it's more beefy. It's
Kaya
way
sana dapat
closer to
ipariyo
this.
ka.
This is a little bit beefier.
Paano pa
The
yun? Eh,
Mexican
di
one,
naman
this
nga siya
Mexican guitar, by the way, is 30
nag-gaganda.
years old.
Yummy!
Sariling sikap yan man.
This is really the bridge.
So yummy.
But the bridge that came, if you're still watching, the bridge that came with the Leo James, look at the
Big
kit.
fish.
They put holes in there, and if you bend the string, you can top load this kind of bridge. You can top load this on this one.
Fish!
That's a no-go.
Isasuggest naman siya na mga gagawin ko.
Ano daw?
Mag-familiarize sa mga tanong. Maraming mga reviewers sa online. Sinisend niya sa akin. Ganun.
Super slinky to play.
Did you see my face?
And I can barely play
My
it.
face is not
And,
big
I
anymore.
stepped down at my 417 hertz. I can barely play
I'm
it.
not
It was so
eating anymore.
slinky,
So
but,
many.
yeah, I don't know.
So my
I
face
really
becomes
liked it. I really
my
liked
face
it.
becomes smaller.
If I could do rub screw drill my own holes and want a better bridge like this, I would probably do a build with that. But yeah, that's my video. I hope so.
What is that bridge?
I hope you watched this before you bought this.
Fernando.
Because
You put it
you're
in
gonna
your
send it
guitar?
back.
Hello, JU. Good morning. Said hi. Hi, JU. Are you a blogger also? Do you have a channel? So that I can visit you also. Okay, I'm done. Gavin, I'm done with your video. And fish. Country. From which country? Philippines. I'm eating fish and rice. Kawa. Very fierce. Look at my dog. You are from Philippines.